our valedictorian. I will ask Emily Bottoni to come to the stage.
Snap away, Julius. Happy moment, smiling.
Good evening, fellow graduates, parents, friends, teachers, staff, and Ms. Chandler. My name is Emily Bottoni, a selected valedictorian, and I am pleased to welcome you all to this year's 2014 graduation ceremony at Jules Verne. The day has finally come, the day that most of us were excited about and some feared. We are graduating today and embarking on a new journey. These journeys will take us down different paths, meaning we won't all be seeing one another at the same school next year. Quite sad if you think about it, because throughout the 7 wonderful years we had at Jules Verne, we all became extremely close to one another. We became friends, best friends, and almost family. And this all began on the first day of kindergarten, when we walked into this red brick building for the first time. We were afraid, timid, and found ourselves staring back at our new classmates with the same look of fear. Little did we know then, but we ended up spending countless hours together, which enabled us to bond and form strong friendships that will last a lifetime. We were always there for one another whenever someone needed a shoulder to cry on or share a laugh with. So I would like to thank you all for being such great friends. You will always be in my heart. As our last elementary year comes to an end, we look back and see all the great memories we had together. Like that time we went to Kid Fiber in grade 4, where we ended up laughing a little louder and smiling a little brighter. Kid Viber made us all rely on one another a little more. It showed us what the true meaning of teamwork truly was. I am also reminded of the time we went to Nebraska, when our lives were on the line, literally. Without the help and encouragement of our peers, I don't think any one of us would have made it through the course. We shared so many laughs together, like the time when students were selected, including myself, to illustrate a couple of teachers and the principal. And who could forget when Ricky suddenly started to choke on water during the French test? Madame Isabelle shoved the garbage can towards him thinking he would throw up, but instead he let out a chuckle which made the whole class smile.